Hey guys, it's Miss Turnbull here with your Tuesday video. We're talking about the surface area of spheres today. So it's not going to be a very long video because there's one formula for us to look at and it's a pretty simple formula to work with. So let's get started here. So this is what a sphere looks like. I'm sure you're familiar with this. Any ball that you've kind of played with as a kid, they were mostly, for the most part, spheres. And the formula that we need to know when we're talking about the surface area of a sphere is surface area equals 4 times pi times the radius of the sphere squared. Now, when we talked about the radius of a circle, we talked about how the radius is the distance from the center of the circle out to the outer ring of the circle. That is still going to be the case for a sphere. It's from the very center of the sphere out to the edge of the sphere. Okay, so that's the radius. So let's take a look at, we're only going to look at 2 practice questions here. This one here asks us to find the surface area of this sphere. Again, surface area is 4 pi r squared for a sphere. Now this one, and again, this is something you guys have been struggling with a little bit, it gives us the diameter of this sphere. And what we need to remember is that one diameter, I missed an I there, equals 2 radii. Okay, so we need to divide this in half. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5 inches, which is our radius. So now we can put this in. SA equals 4 pi 3.5 squared. Let's pull up a calculator here. And we can go 4 times pi times, and I'm going to use the parentheses here, 3.5 squared equals. And that gives us our answer. So the surface area of this sphere is 153.94 inches squared. Okay, this one's a little bit easier. It gives us the radius. So we just go surface area equals 4 pi r squared equals 4 pi 5 squared, which is going to be 4 pi 25. So let's pull up our calculator again. 4 times pi times 25, and this one is 314.16 feet squared. Okay, really short video. We're just finishing up all of the singular 3-dimensional objects. Your next video on Thursday is going to be about composite 3-dimensional objects and figuring out the surface area of those. I would expect that video to be a little bit longer than this one, but for today, it's a nice short, quick video on the surface area of spheres. I'll see you on Thursday.